Learn Excel from Mr. Excel Podcast, episode 2283. Find duplicate AP payments based on two columns. Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jell, and I was doing a webinar recently for AP Now, the accounts payable folks. And one of the questions that came up during the webinar was a great one. They said, hey, so I had a database of payments. We paid this amount to this vendor on this day. And someone said, well, wait, how can we use this to look for duplicate payments? All right. And what they wanted to do is they wanted to find any duplication between vendor and amount. Now, there's a chance that we pay a vendor the same amount every month, and so that isn't necessarily a duplicate payment, but this, was a way to try and find the possible duplicates. All right. And yes, on the Home tab, we have this conditional formatting, highlight cells, duplicate values, but that is only going to work with one column. So my suggestion was to come out here and add a new column called Look for Duplicates. All right, and because I'm in Office 365, I get to use this great new function TEXTJOIN. The delimiter is going to be a vertical bar, ignore empty yes, and then the two things we want to add are vendor and amount. Like that. See what that does is that gives us both the name and the amount separated by the vertical bar in one column. Now, if you're not in Office 365, then you could do this the old-fashioned way with equal A2 ampersand in quotes the bar ampersand amount. All right, your call. Either way, I prefer to use TEXTJOIN, so we'll go that way. Now we have this look for duplicates over here. Control Shift down arrow to select them all. Control backspace to bring it back. Conditional formatting, highlight cells, duplicate values, and I'm just going to leave the default color there. And then, if we cruise down through here, we'll see some. All right, but the fast way to do this is to turn on the filter, data, filter, and then here we're going to filter by color to the pink cells. And now we have all of our potential duplicate payments that we can go check. Cool question that came in from the accounts payable folks, and my solution there. Hey, if you like the tips in this video, please subscribe and ring that bell. Feel free to post any questions or comments in the comments below. My new book, Mr. Excel LX, click the I in the top right-hand corner to get to that. I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.